Understanding the process of applying for a loan. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic that can be useful for many of you: applying for a loan. Whether it's for buying a home, a car, or for personal needs, understanding how to apply for a loan is essential. We'll break down the process, explain key terms, and provide tips to make your loan application smoother. So, let's get started. Applying for a loan involves requesting a sum of money from a financial institution or lender, which you're expected to repay over a period, with interest. It's a formal process that requires the borrower to meet certain criteria and provide financial information. Loans can be for various purposes, including personal needs, education, or buying property. There are several types of loans, each suited for different needs. Personal loans, unsecured loans for personal use. Mortgage loans, secured loans specifically for purchasing real estate. Auto loans, secured loans for buying vehicles. Student loans, for covering education expenses. Understanding the right type of loan for your needs is crucial in the application process. The loan application process typically involves the following steps. 1. Research. Start by researching different lenders and loan options. Compare interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees involved. 2. Eligibility check. Check if you meet the eligibility criteria. This often involves age, income, employment status, and credit history. 3. Documentation. Gather necessary documents, such as proof of income, identity, and residence. 4. Application. Fill out the loan application form, either online or in person. Provide all requested details accurately. 5. Approval. After submitting your application, the lender will assess your creditworthiness. If approved, they will offer you a loan amount, interest rate, and terms. 6. Agreement. Once you agree to the terms, you'll sign a loan agreement. The loan amount will then be disbursed to you or the intended purpose. Maintain a good credit score. A higher credit score increases your chances of approval and can get you better loan terms. Be honest. Provide accurate information in your application to avoid any delays or rejections. Understand the terms. Fully understand the loan terms, including interest rates and repayment schedule, before agreeing. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask the lender any questions you have about the loan or the process. We hope this guide has made the process of applying for a loan clearer and less daunting. Remember, preparation and understanding are key to a successful loan application. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Good luck with your loan application, and see you in the next video.